Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's micros market recap at Target Trading Academy. Let's get right into it. It is just at the close in New York here. It is June 1st. It's a new month here for us. Let's start with micro oil. We opened well above the close from yesterday, and we had immediate buying hitting that HVA edge that was given out to our students the night before. Yes, I said that the night before, so you heard me correct. So they can trade during the evening, pre-market, and the pit session. And what a monster trade that was. If you haven't seen Pat's win-loss break-even videos, go and do so. I'm sure you'll see several of those entries come in. But ultimately, oil melted back down and made some new lows from that open, but not quite getting to its close from the prior day. So we do have a net positive gain in oil. Gold opened well below its close as well. Well, not as well, I should say, but opened well below its close from the prior day and had immediate buying and stalled at that HVA edge, finally giving way for that retracement and then that rally eventually coming back into play. Now, gold finishing off here slightly above its close from yesterday, so it is on a net positive as well. Our equities, oh, what a day those were. Let's scroll back here. They had quite the move down, but they did rally quite a bit as well. So we did start inside of the range, not too far, towards that higher end above its close from the prior day, both in the ES and the micro NASDAQ as well. We had immediate buying, and then they just couldn't decide if they wanted to take it higher or not. Eventually, sellers were winning out, and you can see here they just started driving the market, and what a tremendous response at that HVA edge, I would say so myself. And you can see they just kept driving it down through lunch, driving it down until they finally hit this floor here. Boom. And they just bring it right back up. Again, tremendous response of these levels. And then they don't come back down there for a while. They do pretty much bring back to the middle of their day's range and just settle out there for the rest of the day. But it is lower than the prior day's close, so ultimately the ES here is closing lower than its prior day. So it is net down. Same with the NASDAQ here. Scroll over. Now the ES definitely led the charge today in that move. It had a lot more movement, I would say, in participation. But NASDAQ opened up, had immediate buying, and it was fighting this HVA edge the entire time once it got there. And it finally hit it 4 times or so, or if not more, and they just were not getting through it. And so sellers, they stepped in and they drove it down, bringing us to the floor here before that rally back up. But again, they didn't rally too much in regards to the close. I mean, the close isn't terribly far from the prior day. That's over here. But it is nonetheless another net down. So we are net down in our equities, up in gold and oil. If you are interested in learning more about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next trading endeavor, reach out to us. If you're new to trading, if you don't have any experience, or if you have experience and you want to learn the methodologies that we teach, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with our representatives there. They will gladly show you into our rooms and show you what we do each day on a daily basis, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.